Just because access to good prescription eyeglasses is difficult to come by, more than 1 billion people worldwide suffer from poor vision and continue to be unproductive. The commonly available auto-refractors are tabletop and require qualified refractionists. Also, these machines are too expensive for widespread use and they cannot be shifted that easily. So is there something that is less expensive, does not require an experienced optometrist and is above all handheld for it to easily reach far and wide? Surprisingly, there indeed is one. Not even a 20 minutes drive away from the Meenakshi Sundareshwara temple in the city of Madurai, this is AuroLab, where the solution to the shortage of trained optometrists is getting molded, assembled and tested for turning out this innovative handheld portable auto-refractor which could be easily taken to the doorstep of a patient or the community for prescribing accurate eyeglasses. It is a product of a collaborative effort catalyzed by the US-India Science and Technology Endowment Fund and the Indo-US Science and Technology Forum. And the partners are Dr. Sriram Ravilla, founder of AuroLab located in India at Madurai, and Shivang R. Dave, founder of Planoptica operating out of Massachusetts in the United States. Based on the 3 patents filed by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, this auto-refractor conceptualized by Planoptica team in the USA almost replaces an eye hospital.
Planoptica, they gave the technology, they have the know-how, they have the algorithm to understand, to assess the refractive error. But when it comes for manufacturing, marketing, regulatory approval, it is where we bring in the value.
A patient needs to just look into the device at a small red dot. Looking at the red dot for a couple of seconds asks the device to calculate the refractive error of the eye. An eyeglass could now be prescribed. It is that easy and accurate. The same job with the conventional machines takes anywhere between 5 to 15 minutes. And here, all it takes is about 30 seconds to offer eye values for buying a pair of spectacles from a shop. This binocular-like device to assess the individual refractive error bowls you over with the simplicity of its function. Even self-operated, it's so easy that it can be used by anyone with minimal or no training, including school teachers, public health workers, and vision guardians. This auto-refractor obviates the need to create the refraction cubicle. No need to install heavy tabletop machine. No trial frame set, no digital machine chart, no skilled manpower, no 10 by 10 room, no mirror. And that makes it more relevant for SAARC countries like India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Pakistan, as well as for Africa, where there is 1 ophthalmologist per million of the population. Clinically evaluated on over 1,200 people in the US, Spain, India and China, the low-cost portable auto-refractor is expected to be available soon at 1/5 of the price as compared to conventional refractors. AuroLab is finalizing plans with 50 to 55 dealers in the international market and 28 in India to get this device to the world.